Everybody needs to invest in dimmer switches in homes, especially when you can have brightly lit and lightly lit areas. It makes a huge difference in terms of what you can do with the lighting in your house. So purchase on Amazon, very easy to install. I mean, a couple things you need is make sure you're turning off the breaker, all those types of things that you would when you're doing electrical work. But super easy to install and changes dramatically in terms of how much light you can get into a room. These are LED light bulbs, so you have to think about what you're doing if it's a regular light bulb or it's an LED bulb, so just be patient with that. Also, kind of an additional purchase if you're looking for things that are necessary in this. You're obviously going to need some kind of flat screwdriver, some kind of Phillips screwdriver, and you're also going to need some kind of tester. So you want to see what the hot wire is. So it's a hot wire and a cold wire, and then you're just, I mean, it's just basic. I mean, you don't need to call an electrician as long as you're comfortable dealing with electricity. So take your time, watch videos in terms of how to install dimmer switches, but a huge difference in terms of your home, in terms of the lighting, and in terms of what's required to make the ambiance in your home that much better.